Anyway, back to cars. In the last video, I put together the first version of the light pods, and having stood back and looked at them for a while, combined with lots of really useful comments from viewers, it became very clear that the general consensus was that they were much too small. And sometimes size really does matter. There were lots of other comments along the lines of the wings being too flat at the front. These are all very valid comments, so it was time to break out the cardboard and come up with some ideas for some grills to put into the lower wings.